ukhona ke apha usisi abahamba naye sisi Tsoakae if ever nobhiza kakuhle masibulise nawe sisi sikwamkele Alfred in Community Radio.
Dumelang le kae redi Tsoakae ke Tsoakae, they call me the first lady of jazz music.
Wow, the first lady of jazz music. When Zandon went up here with jazz music, I see ndiyabona khona i-CD endiyiphetheyo apha inobuso bakho negama lakho.
Yes, I'm the new artist, yabo. So la kule competition now, I'm just gonna perform, I'm gonna promote my album there.
Okay, ungakusifisa nje mhlawumbi ivoice yakho kuba ivakala njani so that bayazi into abana mhlawumbi xa befika phaya kwi-Matatiele Jazz Festival balindele ntoni kuwe?
Modi montu sekibone Waka kima tu sekibone oh modi montu sekibone Waka kima tu sekibone.
Wow. Yeah, and you know, you're understanding and pull up live studio. So there's about overwhelmed and and excited kakhulu. Wow. Ucula kamanje sis. Mhlawumbi xa ungakusithathe nje kancinci kwi-journey with a jazz team, being a first lady ye-jazz team, ngapha kunjani urhalisele nje abantu abapha emakhaya even naba bazawuthathwa babe yiphathi ye-jazz team.
To be a jazz team, the fact that I really like their personalities. I feel at home when I'm with them. And they teach me a lot of things that I didn't know. So that's exciting for me. I think the people who are also going to win there, they're going to also experience a woman.
All right. Ndifuna sibuyele kuwe kancane. Ingaba mhlambi wena ungubani waphi udibene njani nale jazz team?
Mina I'm Tsoakae from Welkom. Idibane nabo esontweni, both their fathers are my pastors. So we met at church, we used to sing together, and then that's where they saw my talent, and then I came to Josie, then my album was out.
Wow. Sisithokayi ngaphinde futhi usiculele nje enye ingoma.
Andizmiselanga du ukuhamba maslungise sithandwa sami ngicela uqonde ndakhetha ndazimanya kunye nawe